Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you an amazing Amazon tool deal search bar. I just posted this on my website. I thought it'd be helpful for some of you guys. It's not real extravagant or anything, but it can help you find deals on Amazon, something that I use to find stuff, and I'll show you a couple of examples here in 1 second. Then we actually have some other deals. We're even going to shoot to Home Depot real quick, just while I have your attention. I thought we'd hit those other ones as well, but I'll have this and the other deals linked down below. So on this page, we have two different search boxes. The first is to search Amazon tool deals by brand. So you can put any brand you want. And actually, the search bar isn't specific to tools. I mean, you could put Nike in this thing if you wanted, and it would still come up. But you do have to spell and space the word exactly as it is on Amazon. So my example I included on the page, if you just type in Klein and enter that in the search, you're not going to get any results. But if you put Klein Tools, you will get search results. So when you get to the results page, it just sorts everything from the lowest price up, and there's a certain percentage discount that the item is supposed to have before it's available in the search, and it has to be an item sold by Amazon. So there's a few additional filters built into it. But I think you can find some really amazing deals. Again, we're going to look at a few examples here in 1 second. And then we also have a search by keyword, so you can put ratchet, screwdriver, whatever you want. Now, this one is specific to the home improvement category on Amazon. So if you put in Nike, or I guess Nike's not a good example, shoe, maybe steel toe boots or something would come up, but a sandal's probably not going to come up unless somehow it got listed in the home improvement category. So that one is stuck to that, and I'm debating, if you guys like this, I may do another little search bar that breaks down different categories, or it's just Amazon as a whole, and you can figure out the categories on your own. But either way, I use similar search bars like this that I haven't had available on a page, and that's one of the ways I find deals. So I thought I'd just share it with you guys. And down here, I just included some examples if you're trying to think of different tool brands that are available on Amazon, different ones you can search. Like I got Metaboo, actually Metaboo. But remember to put a space in HPT at the end of that, you'll get more. If you can do it both ways, really. But anyway. The other thing I wanted to share with you is Black & Decker. I can't figure out how to get Black & Decker to come up here correctly. On Amazon, they do black + Decker, no spaces. When I try that, it doesn't work. I think the plus sign kind of goofies with it. I tried using the ampersand, is how you say it? Ampersand symbol. I tried it with spaces, without spaces. I can't get Black & Decker to work, so if you figure that one out, make sure to let me know. And so that's it for the search bar, but let me show you. So this is one of the things I posted earlier tonight using the same search bar. I looked up gear wrench tools, and the 18-piece 3/8" drive, ratchet, and drive tool set was available. I think this is actually a really good set. It says 107.04 here, but there's actually a 20% coupon on the Amazon page. You're really closer to the $80-something range. We got a breaker bar. We get 4 ratchets, and one is a flex head. You're getting various adapters and extensions. So for $80, I mean, that's under $20 a ratchet when you include all the other stuff you're getting and the breaker bar. I mean, it really is a good deal. And Home Depot sells that same kit for $137, and Tool Up has it for $150. So you're still $50 cheaper than Home Depot. And that was the next closest competitor I could find. This next deal, we got the DeWalt circular saw, 7 1/4 inch, 140 tooth. And you can see right now on Amazon it is $849, and if we look, Home Depot is $1454, Grainger is $1931. So another really good deal. Of course, Prime members are getting the free shipping on that. Now this is just the home improvement deals page, but I added 2 other ones here. This was the DeWalt 7/8 inch by 6 inch by 8 inch rock carbide SDS plus hammer bit, and this is down to $18, which is about half price of what you would expect to pay for it. And then we also had the DeWalt nut driver set, the detachable 5-piece. I actually kind of like these, and it's down to just $12, and both of those again were found with that little search bar. So that's the search bar. Hopefully you guys can use it and get some value out of it, find some deals, and all of that. And then we shoot over to Home Depot real quick. We have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless 1/4 inch brushless impact driver kit with a 5 amp hour battery, and that's part of the kit. And then you get an additional 5 amp hour battery for free. So you're getting 10 amp hours of battery in total. with the kit with the 1/4-inch impact driver, and that's going to be $199. And that is something we posted over on Instagram earlier today. So make sure you follow along on Instagram. We got some more deals that may hit there before YouTube, or maybe YouTube never sees them. Acme Tools, it's $219, and you also get the free battery, so it's $20 more there. Lowe's is $219, but you do not get the free battery, so pretty nice deal, especially if you can use two 5-amp-hour batteries. My favorite batteries, so who couldn't use more 5-amp-hour batteries? Now, we're going to hit a couple of Amazon deals real quick. 6-pack utility knife folding box cutter. I didn't get a lot of deals posted today. I spent most of my day crying during the Bears game. This is by Cada. Justin Fields sucks. The coaching sucks. Everything's terrible. 40% off. $11.99. 40% promo code. Don't know when that expires, so it's working right now. Look at that. That's a 6-pack. $11.99 and then 40% off. So a really good deal on the Cadas. And then we have a 12-pack of clear safety glasses for men. I think women could probably wear them as well, but I'll have to double check on that. By Tycon, and they are 30% off. So it starts out at $14.99. You're taking 1/3 off of that. You're going to be real close to $10 for a 12-pack. That's under $1 a piece of the safety glasses. So there you go, guys. Search bar, a couple of deals thrown in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.